Dear students, welcome. Now we are going to solve one problem in forcing space. Equilibrium of particle. A particle or body in equilibrium, the resultant force equal to 0. The resultant force equal to 0. Now the given question, a particle A is in equilibrium, determine the magnitude and direction of force F shown in figure. Particle A is in equilibrium, determine the force F. That is question. Different forces given, F1, F2, F3 and F. Our aim to find the force F. First write all the forces in vector form. So the given force F1, first F1. F1 along x direction positive. This is x direction positive, x direction negative. Y direction positive, y direction negative. Z direction positive, Z direction negative. So first F1 vector equal to 500 I vector, and F2 vector equal to minus 900 J vector, because downward direction negative, so minus 900 J vector. And F3 vector, how to find F3 vector? F3 force F3 having x direction, z direction and y direction. So force into n cap of that force, F3 equal to 800 into n cap of force F3. How to find n cap? Force vector divided by magnitude of that vector. So 4 meter distance from x direction, in x direction towards negative direction. So minus 4I vector plus 8J vector upward direction, 8J vector minus towards negative direction, z direction, so minus 2K vector divided by magnitude of that vector, minus 4 square plus 8 square plus minus 2 square. So by using scientific calculator you got to find the F3 vector. F3 vector equal to minus 349 J vector plus 698 I vector plus 698 J vector minus 174.5 K vector. So F3 vector equal to and then F vector. What is a force F vector general form? Fx I vector. F vector equal to Fx I vector plus Fy J vector plus Fz K vector. So these are the four forces, F1, F3, F2, F3, these are the four forces acting on the particle A. Particle A is in equilibrium. So what are the equilibrium conditions? Particle or body in equilibrium at sigma F equal to 0. Particle A is in equilibrium. So at equilibrium state, sigma F equal to 0. At equilibrium state, sigma F equal to 0. So equate the I vector components equal to 0. All the forces from all the forces F1, F2, F3, F equate the I vector components equal to 0, J vector components equal to 0, K vector components equal to 0. So I vector components equal to 0. So while equating I vector components equal to 0, 500 I vector. So 500 and minus 349 plus Fx equal to 0. Plus Fx equal to 0. Okay. In first force I vector 500 I vector, second force no I vector component, third force minus 349 and fifth force Fx. From that find the value Fx. What is Fx value? Fx equal to minus 151 Newton. Minus 151. Fx value equal to minus 151 Newton. Similarly, J vector components equal to 0. Equate the J vector components equal to 0. J vector components equal to 0. So, minus 900. In first force no J vector component, third force plus 698 and force F, in force F plus Fy equal to 0. From that Fy equal to 202 Newton. Fy equal to 202 Newton. So Fy equal to 202 Newton. And then K vector components equal to 0. K vector components equal to 0. So first force no K vector component, second force also no K vector component, third force minus 174.5 plus Fz equal to 0. So from that Fz equal to 174.5 Newton. 174.5 Newton. So from these values you have to write F vector equal to Fx I vector. F vector equal to minus 151 I vector plus 202 J vector plus 174.5 K vector. So F vector equal to that value. Our aim to find the force F vector, magnitude and direction of the force F. So how to find magnitude? F equal to root of minus 151 square plus 202 square plus 174.5 square. From that F equal to 306.7 Newton. 306.7 Newton. F equal to. So magnitude over. And then how to find the direction of force F? Theta equal to cos inverse Fx divided by F. Theta equal to cos inverse Fx. Theta x equal to cos inverse Fx divided by F. So what is Fx value? Fx value minus 151 divided by F value 306.7. So from that, from the value, what is the value? Cos inverse theta x equal to 119.5 degree. Theta is equal to 119.5 degree. Similarly, theta x equal to 119.5 degree. Theta y equal to cos inverse Fy divided by F. Theta y equal to cos inverse Fy divided by F. So cos inverse Fy value 202. Cos inverse 202 divided by 306.7. From the value theta y equal to 48.8 degree. Theta y equal to 48.8 degree. So theta y equal to 48.8 degree. And then theta z, how to find theta z? Theta z equal to cos inverse, similarly f z divided by cos inverse f z divided by f. So from that cos inverse fy equal to fz equal to 174.5 divided by 306.7. So from the value theta z equal to, how to find theta z? Theta z equal to 55.3 degree. 55.3 degree. 55.3 degree. Theta z equal to 55.3 degree. So our aim to find the magnitude and direction of force F. Magnitude equal to 306.7 Newton and direction theta x equal to 119.5 degree. Theta y 48.8 degree. Theta is at 55.3. Dear students, if you like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe our channel for continuous mechanical lecture series. Thank you.